Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PS4 controller's home button on a PS3. First, connect your PS4 controller to the PS3 console with a micro USB cable. The PS3 will automatically recognize it as a generic USB controller, allowing you to use the joysticks and face buttons for most games. This initial connection is crucial for any further steps, ensuring your console registers the input device. It's a quick and simple first move to get started. You will quickly notice that the PS button on your PS4 controller does not bring up the PS3 XMB menu or power options. This is because the PS3 expects a very specific signal from its own native controllers for these system-level commands. While your PS4 controller handles gameplay, it lacks the necessary protocols to fully integrate as a primary system navigator. Understanding this limitation is the first step toward finding a viable solution for complete control. A wired connection keeps your PS4 controller powered and responsive, offering a partial solution for some in-game commands. In a few instances, the PS button might function to pause a game or return you to its internal main menu, but this is game-dependent. Do not expect it to reliably open the XMB, access network settings, or turn off the console itself. For broader system control, a different approach is necessary beyond just a simple cable. To gain full access to the PS3 Home menu and system functions, you will need a third-party adapter. Devices like the Brook Wingman Converter or Mayflash Magicess are designed to trick your PS3 into thinking a native controller is connected. This allows your PS4 controller to send the correct signals for the PS button, menu navigation, and even power control. These adapters are an investment, but unlock complete compatibility for your gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.